Imagine a world where you could be arrested and held indefinitely without ever knowing why, or without the chance to prove your innocence. It is a chilling thought, one that strikes at the very core of liberty and fairness. This scenario highlights why certain legal safeguards are absolutely essential. Habeas corpus is a fundamental legal remedy that safeguards constitutional rights by allowing individuals to challenge the lawfulness of their detention before a court. It essentially means produce the body, and it ensures that no one can be held imprisoned indefinitely without due process. This ancient legal principle forces the government to justify a person's imprisonment, protecting citizens from arbitrary state power and upholding the right to liberty. The core mechanism behind habeas corpus lies in its demand for a swift judicial review of executive or governmental detention. When a writ of habeas corpus is granted, a judge examines whether the detaining authority has a valid legal basis to hold the person. This is not about determining guilt or innocence at this stage, but rather ensuring the detention itself is consistent with the law and constitutional guarantees, such as the right to a fair trial, legal counsel, and protection from unreasonable searches. To utilize this protection, a person who believes they are being unlawfully held, or someone acting on their behalf, files a petition for a writ of habeas corpus with a court. This petition must outline the alleged grounds for unlawful detention. For example, it might argue that the person was denied their right to an attorney, or that evidence was obtained illegally, or that the court lacked jurisdiction. If the court finds merit in the petition, it orders the detaining authority to bring the prisoner before the court and demonstrate a legal reason for the confinement. This powerful safeguard is explicitly mentioned in the United States Constitution, Article 1, Section 9, Clause 2, which states that the privilege of the writ of habeas corpus shall not be suspended unless, when in cases of rebellion or invasion the public safety may requiring it. This constitutional backing reinforces its status as a cornerstone of liberty, providing a vital check on government power and ensuring adherence to the 5th and 14th Amendment due process clauses. It acts as an important procedural tool to ensure substantive constitutional rights are not violated through unlawful detention. In essence, habeas corpus is more than just a legal procedure. It is a vital protection for individual freedom, serving as a critical mechanism to ensure that the government respects foundational constitutional rights. It acts as a powerful reminder that even in detention, every person retains fundamental legal protections, guaranteeing that no one can simply vanish into the system without proper legal justification. By providing a direct path to judicial review, it ensures fairness and transparency in our justice system, upholding the very promise of liberty for all.